Hello students, good morning to all of you. So, last classes we were discussing about a simple equations. What is a simple equation? How to solve a simple equation we learn. And after that applications of the simple equation. That is nothing but a verbal form problems we discussed. In that problems on numbers, problems based on age related problems. Okay, these are all we discussed. Okay, now same applications of simple equations only. In that applications problems based on mensuration. Problems on mensuration. Another type is problems on mensuration. Mensuration means figures, geometrical figures, solid and two dimensional and three dimensional figures, areas, perimeters, all those discussions. Okay, problems on mensuration we are going to discuss. In that, the first problem is the width of Sudha's garden is 2 by 3 of its length. The width of Sudha's garden is 2 by 3 of its length. If its perimeter is 40 meters, find its dimensions. Dimensions is nothing but a length, breadth we have to find out. Find its dimensions. Okay. Now here the width of Sudha's garden. Garden may be either square shape or rectangle shape or circular shape. But here they mentioned width is 2/3 of its length, means length width is given in that is in the shape of a rectangle. We conclude that this garden shape will be in a rectangular shape garden we selected here. Here Sudha's garden is in the shape of a rectangle. In the shape of a rectangle. So now width of the garden. Let us assume that this is a garden. This is a width. Width is nothing but a breadth, and this is a length. Okay. Width is 2/3 of its length, means width depending on length. Means width is depending on length, means length is independent. Length is independent. Whereas a breadth is dependent. Breadth is depending on length. So now let us assume that breadth is equal to breadth or width, both are same only. Breadth of the garden is equal to length. Width is depending on length. Now let us assume that length independent. Now independent term we suppose it as a variable, not breadth. Since I read this question in this way only I started. But actually here width of the Sudha's garden is 2/3 of its length, means width depending on length. So length of the garden is equal to x meters, because here perimeter is in meters they given now. Perimeter given in meters. So meters I suppose. Now breadth of the garden, breadth or width, both meaning remain same only. Breadth of the garden is equal to 2/3 of length, means 2 by 3 of length. 2 by 3 of length. That is nothing but a 2 by 3 half means into x. That is equal to 2x by 3 meters. 2x by 3 meters. I suppose the length of the garden as x meters. Breadth of the garden is according to relation 2/3 of the length. 2 by 3 of x. That is nothing but a 2x by 3. 2x by 3. If it's a perimeter of the rectangular shape, formula is 2 into L plus B. Now perimeter is equal to, perimeter of garden is equal to, how much they given? 40 meters they given. This is the length. And perimeter of garden is equal to, if it means garden perimeter is 40 meters. Means 2 into L plus B, perimeter formula is equal to 40. 2 into L plus B. Now 2 into L is nothing but a 2x by 3 plus breadth is nothing but a, sorry, L is x. 2 into L is x here. Breadth it is. I agreed it is a correction, it is a breadth it is. Breadth of the garden is generally length will be dependent on breadth in most of the problems. That's what in that way I wrote a L here. Please correct that one. This is not a L, breadth it is. 2 into L x plus b is 2x by 3 is equal to 40. Okay. See here, once again I am repeating the question solution. The width of the Sudha's garden is 2/3 of its length. Width depending on length. Let us assume that length of the garden is equal to x meters. Breadth of the garden is equal to 2 by 3 of length. 2 by 3 into length is x. That is equal to 2 by x. 2 by 3 into x. That is 2x by 3 meter. This is breadth. First I wrote L, sir. Correct it. Please regret. I regret for that correction. This is not LB. Because generally most of the problem length is dependent on the breadth. No? In that way I wrote a L, I think. But it is here given is the breadth of the garden is 2/3 of the length, which is 2x by 3. Now as per the question, if its perimeter is perimeter of the garden is equal to perimeter of the garden is equal to 40 meters. Perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B is equal to 40 meters. Now 2 into here LCM is 3. Now 3x plus 2x is equal to 40. 2 into 3x plus 2x by 3 is equal to 40. Now 2 into 3 plus 3, 5x. 5x by 3 is equal to 40. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 10x by 3 is equal to 40. Why we multiply with the numerator only? Because a fraction and a whole number while you are multiplying, you should multiply to the numerator only. Now transpose this 10 by 3 to other side. X is equal to 40 into 3 by 10. 0 0 cancel. X is equal to 4 3s are 12. X value I got. Now I don't require x. I need the length and breadth. Now length is equal to x is equal to 12 meters and the breadth is equal to 2 by 3 into 12. 2 3 1 plus 3 4 that equal to 8 meters. Please write down. Sorry student, that is there I wrote in the place of b is equal to x by 3 I wrote L before. Please correct that letter. Okay. See once again question. Length of the garden is x meters because width is depending on length. Length is equal to x meters. Breadth of the garden equal to 2 by 3 of the length. 2 by 3 into x. 2x by 3. Perimeter of the garden is equal to 40 meters. 2 into L plus B is equal to 40 meters. 2 into x plus 2x by 3 is equal to 40. L is x, B is 2x by 3. In the bracket LCM, if you take 3x plus 2x by 3 into 2 is equal to 40. The 2 into in the bracket 3x plus 2x is 5x by 3 is equal to 40. 10x by 3 is equal to 40. X is equal to, if you transpose 10 by 3 to other side, it becomes 3 by 10. 0, 0 cancel, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, length is equal to 12 meters. Breadth is equal to 2 by 3 into 12. 3 1s are 3 4s are, that equal to 8 meters breadth. Am I clear? Now next question. Based on problems on mensuration only. Next question. Each side of a triangle is increased by 10 centimeters. Each side of a triangle is increased by 10 centimeters if the ratio of the perimeter of new triangle and given triangle is 5:4. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. Perimeter of the given triangle. Hello students, we are seeing here each side of a triangle is increased by 10 centimeter if the ratio of the perimeter of new triangle and given triangle is 5:4. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. See here, let us, this is one triangle. Its perimeter A, B, C. Sum of these three sides is equal to 10 centimeter. If this triangle is increased by 10 units, means this will be A plus 10, this will be B plus 10, this will be C plus 10. Sides measurements are done. Let us assume that perimeter of the given triangle, perimeter of given triangle is equal to x centimeters. Given triangle is equal to x centimeters. Okay. Then if each side of a triangle, each side of the triangle is increased by 10 centimeters, then perimeter of new triangle. New triangle. Perimeter of the new triangle means whatever the old triangle is there, that 10 centimeters, 10 plus 10, 30 centimeters will increase. given triangle perimeter plus 30 centimeter, because 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. That is equal to x plus 30 centimeters. X plus 30 centimeters. Perimeter of the given triangle is x centimeters, I suppose. Perimeter of the given triangle is x centimeters. When I add this a plus b plus c is equal to 10 centimeters. If each side is increased by 10, means this side is increased a plus 10, this side becomes b plus 10, this side becomes c plus 10. Sir, you used three different variables, but here you used one, no sir. If I add this one, a plus b plus c, this total I suppose as a x here. Sum of the three sides of the triangle is perimeter. So this 3 is equal to x centimeters. A plus b plus c is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay. So if each side of the triangle is increased by 10 centimeters, then perimeter of the new triangle is given triangle perimeter plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30 centimeters. Now according to problem, given triangle perimeter and obtained triangle perimeter and given triangle ratio is equal to 5:4. New triangle perimeter and given triangle perimeter ratio is 5:4. This is a new triangle perimeter is to given triangle perimeter is x is equal to what is obtained triangle perimeter? What is given here? 5:4. Now this can be done as x plus 30 by x is equal to 5/4. Now cross multiply here. If I cross multiply, 5 into x is equal to 4 into x plus 30. Now 5x is equal to 4x plus 4 3 is 120. Now 5x minus 4x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 centimeters. What is x here? X is the perimeter of the given triangle. Therefore, given triangle perimeter is equal to perimeter is equal to 120 centimeters. Please write down. Okay, perimeter of the given triangle is equal to x centimeters. If each side of the triangle is increased by 10 centimeters, then perimeter of new triangle is equal to given triangle perimeter plus 30. Why 30 only? Why not other value? Because three sides only. Each side 3 times 10 centimeters increase with 3 into 10 30 centimeters only will increase. Now given triangle and obtained triangle and given triangle ratio is equal to 5:4 as per the question. So x plus 30 by x is equal to 5/4. Cross multiply. X is equal to 4 into x plus 30. Simplify it, we will get the answer. Okay. This is your another question. Next question. Next. The perimeter of rectangle is 240 centimeters. If its length is decreased by 10 centimeters, and its breadth is increased by little difficult, persons are please listen carefully. and its breadth is increased by 20%, we get the same perimeter. We get the same perimeter. Find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Listen carefully, sir. Little confusion problem. If you listen carefully, then only you will be able to complete the solution. Okay. Now the perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of rectangle is equal to 240 centimeters. Means what is your formula? 2 into L plus B is equal to 240 into 1 plus 2 120 is L plus B is equal to 120 centimeters. Okay. Now, because two different unknown quantities are there, one quantity convert in terms of the other one. In terms of the other one. Now, breadth is equal to 120 minus L. Breadth is equal to 120 minus L. Because two unknown values are there now, I converted breadth in terms of L. Let us assume that length is equal to x centimeters, then breadth is equal to 120 minus x as per this condition. Okay. If its length is decreased by 10 centimeter and its breadth is increased by 20%, means now if length is decreased by, according to problem, I will take according to problem instead of writing all this information. According to problem, length is decreased by 10%, 10% of L, and breadth is increased by 20% of breadth itself. 20% of breadth itself. Okay. Then perimeter is equal to same. Means here 2 into L minus 10% of L plus B plus 20% of B. This perimeter is equal to same as the given perimeter only, 240. Length is decreased by 10%. Length is decreased by 10% of L and breadth is increased by 20% of B. Then the perimeter remains same, 240. Means 2 into L is x minus 10% of x. 10% of x means 10 by x. 10 by 100 into x. Plus B plus 20 by 100 into 20 by 100 into, what is B here? B is nothing but 120 minus x plus 20 by 100 into 120 minus x is equal to 240. Here length is equal to x and breadth is equal to 120 minus x. Okay. Now according to problem, 2 times perimeter, again new perimeter is equal to old perimeter. New perimeter, what is that one? L minus of 10% of L, B plus 20% of B is equal to 240. Okay, L means x, x minus 10% is 10 by 100 of L means x, and here B means here 120 minus x plus 20% is 20 by 100 into 120 minus x is equal to 240. Now inside the bracket simplify here first. Now 100x minus 10x by 100, here LCM. Okay, plus 0 0 cancel, 0 0 2 1 das 2 5 das I cancel. Now remaining is 2 into x minus x by 10 plus 120 minus x plus 1 by 5 into 120 minus x is equal to 240. Now 2 into 10x minus x by 10 plus here 120 minus x plus 120 minus x by 5 it is. Now is equal to 240. Now take the LCM again. 2 into 10 LCM, 10x minus x plus 1200 minus 10x plus 240 minus 2x is equal to 240. Now 2 1s, 2 5s. Without this simplification, you can't cancel here. Now 10x cancel, minus 3x plus 1200 plus 240 means plus 1440 by 5 is equal to 240. Now minus 3x plus 1440 is equal to cross multiply here. 24 5s also 120, 1200. Now minus 3x is equal to 1200 minus 1440. Minus 3x is equal to minus 240. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 240 by 3. 3 1 just 380 just. X is equal to 80. Length is equal to 80 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 120 minus 80 is equal to 40 centimeters. Okay, see here. Once listen here. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 240 centimeters they given. 2 into L plus B is equal to 240. L plus B is equal to 120 centimeters. B is equal to 120 minus L because the two are unknown values, so I converted the breadth in terms of L. Let us assume that length is equal to x, then breadth becomes as 120 minus x as per this one. Now according to problem, if length is decreased by 10% and the breadth is increased by 20% of the previous breadth, then perimeter remains same. Perimeter remains the same. 2 into L minus 10% of L plus B plus 20% of B is equal to 240. Now L minus 10 by 100 into x plus B means 120 minus x plus 20 by 100 into 120 minus x is equal to 240. 0 0 cancel. 2 into x minus 1 by 10 into x plus 120 minus x into 25 is 100 plus 1 by 5 into 120 minus x. Now 2 into x minus x by 10 plus 120 minus x plus 1 by 5 into 120 minus x. Now in this LCM I took here, this bracket I took LCM. Okay. Now 10x minus x by 10, 10x minus x by 10. Without taking LCM also, at a time all together also can take. So since I wrote here 10x minus x plus 120 minus x plus 1 by 5 into 120 minus x by 5. Now 10 LCM I took, so 10x minus x as it is, that means 9x it is nothing but. Okay, plus 10 into 120 is 1200, 10 into minus x is minus 10x, plus here 5 table 10 2 times, 2 into 120 is 240 minus 2x. Now 10x cancel, minus x minus 2x minus 3x. 1200, 240, 1440 by 5 is equal to 240. Now minus 3x plus 1440 by 5 is equal to 240. Minus 3x plus 1440 is equal to 240 into 5. Means 240 into 5 is 1200. Because 500, 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 40, 10 plus 2, 1200. Minus 3x is equal to 1200 minus 1440. Minus 3x is equal to minus 240. Minus minus cancel. 3x x is equal to 240 by 380. X is equal to 80 I got. That means L. L is equal to 80 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 120 minus 80 is 40 centimeters. Is it clear? Please write down. Okay. Hope you understood. In case if you don't understand, please watch the video once again. Please try to understand. The little bit confusion is there. Carefully. Next question. The length of each of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeters longer than the base. The length of each of the equal sides, the length of equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 4 centimeters longer than base, if the perimeter of the triangle is 62 centimeters. Find the find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. See here, little bit carefully here. This is a triangle. These two sides are equal. Length of each of the equal side of an isosceles triangle is 4 cm longer than the base. Means these two are depending on the base. Means base is independent. That is, I suppose, as a x. Let base is equal to x centimeters. Now each of the equal side, each of equal sides is equal to 4 centimeter longer than the base, means x plus 4. Means this is x plus 4, means this is also x plus 4. X plus 4 and x plus 4. Each of equal side is equal to x plus base than base 4 centimeters longer, means increase. Okay, shorter means subtract. Now another one is what they given information. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to perimeter of the triangle is equal to 62 centimeters. Means in any triangle perimeter is sum of the three sides. Since here isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, 2 into equal side plus third side base. So you can apply that formula or basic formula, basic condition also you can apply. Sum of the three sides means x plus 4 plus x plus 4. Instead of writing x plus 4, 2 into x plus 4 also you can write. Because two equal sides no there, plus x is equal to 62 centimeters. Now 3x plus 8 is equal to 62 centimeters. 3x is equal to 62 minus 8. 3x is equal to 54 centimeters. Okay. Now x is equal to 54 by 3. 3 1 plus 3. 3 is 8 are 24. X is equal to 18. Means now three sides are, now the sides of the triangle are, the sides of triangle are x is equal to 18 centimeters, x plus 4 is equal to 18 plus 4 is equal to 22 centimeters. The other one also x plus 4 only, that is equal to 18 plus 4. 22 centimeters, 22, 22, 40, 4. Please write down. Okay. The length of each of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is, isosceles triangle is two sides equal. Okay. It is 4 centimeter longer than base. Base is equal to x, I suppose. Then these sides are x plus 4, x plus 4. Because two are equal sides, no? No, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 62 centimeters. That is x plus 4, x plus 4, x is equal to 62. 3x plus 8 is equal to 62. 3x is equal to 62 minus 8. 3x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 by 3 is 18. Now the sides of the triangle are x means 18 centimeter. X plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22 centimeters. X plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22 centimeters. Please write down. So with these problems on mensuration are completed. In next video we discuss some other models. Okay. Thank you very much. Please write down.